Learn the key differences between some and any in English grammar with this informative video. Do you often get confused about when to use some and when to use any in a sentence? In this video, we'll help you understand the subtleties of these two commonly used words. Some refer to a limited but unspecified amount. It reflects the expectation of something available. Any refers to something generally, where it doesn't matter which or how much. Now let us look at use of some. Some. Here are some examples. I am going to buy some fruit. There is some butter in the fridge. We did some exercise. Use of any, some examples. Is there any fruit in the kitchen? Would you like something to drink? Can you give me some money? If there are any questions for me, do let me know. If there is any paper on the table, can you give it to John? I didn't borrow any books, but Priya borrowed some. Are there any toys? Yes, there are some on the table. You can catch any train. They all go to Delhi. Which dress shall I buy? Any dress. Come and see me anytime you want. For exercises in English grammar and worksheets, please visit EnglishVedas.com. Fill in the blanks with some and any. I am going to buy some books. He didn't make any mistakes. Have you got any pen or pencils? Is there any chocolate for me? There aren't any pens in my bag. I have got some toys for your son. She always takes some sugar with her tea. There are some oranges in the kitchen. There is some food in the refrigerator. Ram needs to do some homework. John seldom eats any vegetables. The shopkeeper doesn't have any umbrellas to sell. There isn't any water in the jug. The cat is thirsty. Give it some water. Mira doesn't need any advice. EnglishVedas.com